Hi Yash, welcome to Wisdom. So, before we begin with this interview, would you like to brief me about yourself, like what you have done so far and what are your plans going ahead?
Hello, my name is Yash Thakkar. I had enrolled in Wisdom for my IELTS coaching. I'm a grade 12 student. I study at Hiranandani Foundation School, but and I plan to study in Canada. And my major will be computer science.
Okay. And so, when did you start the IELTS coaching with us, and which kind of IELTS you have given?
I had given the academic IELTS, and I had started my coaching in mid-February, and my exam was I had started my coaching in early February, and my exam was scheduled for mid-February, and then again it had got delayed from their side. So I think I gave the exam in March.
Okay. So, has the trainer briefed you about 4 different skills on the IELTS?
Yes, the trainer briefed us about how to attempt each section. Like there are 4 sections to the IELTS exam: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Reading, writing, and listening are on one day, and the speaking test will be on another day. You can choose which part do you want to attempt first. We were briefed in detail about everything.
All right. And does the trainer cover fundamentals from grammar and vocabulary?
Yes, that's what we begin with.
Okay. And how did you study all 4 sections in IELTS? Would you like to brief us, like explain us about it?
Sure. First section would be LRW, which is listening, reading, and writing. For listening and reading, all resources are available online for all 4 sections. Firstly, for listening, on YouTube there will be videos with specific audio files as well as questions related to that audio, and we were instructed by Priya ma'am, who was our IELTS trainer, that we should attempt that. First we are supposed to listen to the audio and then attempt the questions, and I would type it in MS Word and as a homework, and then the next day she would check it in class in front of everyone. Same goes for reading. There are websites where the passages will be given from where we should read and answer the questions. The passages aren't like the ones you attempt in school. They are more like a really short answer, like 1 or 2 lines, nothing too much in detail. And that's that listening, reading. And for writing, there are different types of writing. As in sometimes there's a graph given, sometimes there's a topic about which you have to write, and sometimes there's a graphic diagram. We were every day we were told that we should we should practice at least one of at least 2, and it has to be different. So before exam, I think I attempted around 10 or 12, like total, and around three of each kind of writing. Coming to speaking, for speaking, Priya ma'am had her own resources and some book from where she would basically ask us questions on a Skype call, and of course there were no in-person classes due to COVID. So on the Skype call, she would ask us questions, and in the speaking part, there are again firstly there are like single line answers, and some answers which are a little more in detail, and in the last one where you are supposed to speak for like 2 minutes. So yeah, everything was covered in detail.
Okay. And the duration of the lectures was sufficient?
Yes, the duration of the lectures was sufficient. Earlier I was told that initially, like, most lectures are for a month. We could choose the batch as well, like it's either the weekend or the weekday batch. And what I had done was, since I wanted to give the exam as soon as possible, I said that I'll take both the batches and try to do as much as I can. And I was also told that if 2 weeks or 3 weeks are not sufficient, I can extend it. That everything is covered.
Okay. And does your training section, I mean your program which you choose for IELTS, covered all the sections and question types?
Yes, but the only part, like for writing, where we are told that anything can come. So there are like 4 types of writing questions. So it can be anything. So of course, they don't ask all 4 types. It can be random. It's up to them what they want to ask. Everything is
Okay.
covered.
Okay. And has the trainer provided you with good insights and practice on the test?
Yes. Everything was given in detail, like not just the questions. We were also told that we should carry a sweater to the exam hall because it might get cold. And it did.
And are you given enough practice and knowledge for this?
Yes.
So I can see you have studied really hard for your IELTS. Okay. And what was your band score? If you can just share with us.
For listening and reading, my score was 8.5. For writing and speaking, it was 7. So the total band score was 8 out of 9, 8.0.
Great. It's a quite good score, I would say. And so, yeah, Yash, how was your overall experience with Wisdom coaching and IELTS especially?
With the Wisdom coaching, it was exceptionally good. Everything was covered, as I said. But with the IELTS, it was with British Council, it wasn't so good because they would keep delaying my exam date without asking me, and I would
Yeah,
have to check. I would have to check every time. We even dropped a couple of emails, and which they replied to after a week, and it was a real pain.
Yeah, it was because of COVID situation. The test got postponed multiple times, but yeah, successfully you have given that, and you have got a good score also. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you so much for your time, Yash, and wish you all the best.
Thank you.